Welcome to 360 Degrees with Ravi. We had two great events in the last week of January. First was the Adani was going in for a follow-on public offer, price around about 3,800 plus. And second was the presentation of the budget, which is probably the last budget for this term. And then next year we are going in for the general elections. So these two events were marred by Hindenburg's effort to destabilize the country by leaking a report on Adani. As of now, nobody knows to what extent Hindenburg's report is true or false, or is it intentional to bring them down. But the fact remains, the timing of the report is suspect, as simple as that. Now, what could be the intentions? There could be many, because Adani stocks as such are volatile. It has gone into stratospheric levels, be it in Adani Enterprises Limited and all other group stocks. Now, secondly, these Western powers were not so comfortable with the Indian government's stand of purchasing the oil from Russia. So that could be one of the reasons. There can be many more. It's all conspiracy, as simple as that. And Hindenburg is not a saint per se. He could have given this report much ahead of the FPO or much later than the budget. He did not do that because the intention was to garner the eyes of the public, number one, and number two, to create a ruckus in the parliament. But both the things did not happen as much as he wanted to. But the fact remains, Adani stocks did crash for more than 75% to 80%. The investors has lost close to $1 trillion all put together. So it cannot be brushed under the carpet. Who has done it? For what reasons has he done it? Is there is any merit in that? Then who is Hindenburg? The Hindenburg is a firm which is specializing in the short selling. Are they so credible? I doubt whether they are so credible, because no such, they don't come anywhere close to any of the greatest agencies which are operating in the security market, be it a Citibank, be it HSBC and all others. Hindenburg is a new name as far as I am concerned. What they are specialized in the short selling, selling it and then buying it at a lower price. And to buy it at a lower price, they triggered this panic, and now they would have got it at a much lower price. Secondly, they would have taken positions, they or the cronies would have taken positions in the options market. So that is also would have been one of the strategies to make a big money. Now, let us do a soul searching. How come Adani stocks are so high? That cannot be kept under the carpet. Is it operated by the share brokers in India to push the price to such a great level, or is it there is a subtle hand of Adani to prop up the price to such a great level, as you would have planned an FPO around the corner and you get the best of the prices? Either of this could be true, but the SEBI is not going to just leave it like that. They are going to go deep into this episode and they will dig the skeleton of the cupboards for sure. There is another aspect of it also which has to be seen. Now, Adani Group stocks has a great debt to equity ratio. Now they have got so much of liabilities. Now where have they borrowed the money? Have they borrowed from PSBs? Have they borrowed from private sector banks? Where have they borrowed from? Number one, if in case Hindenburg's this thing is true, what is that credit rating agency in India are doing? If they are given AAA to Adani Groups, or W or A for that matter, then it comes under scrutiny of the SEBI. So now, the saving grace is Adani, after getting his FPO fully subscribed, took a call of calling it off and returned the money to the investors. As a seasoned investor in the stock market, my advice to my fellow Indians: these sort of episodes keep happening time and again. It can be an Arshad Mehta scam where market corrected. It can be due to COVID. It can be due to recession in 2008, subsequently COVID, market corrected. But then after that, what happened? The market bounced like anything and touched the new highs. Similarly, in this instant case also, I am more than confident the Indian security market is going to bounce and touch new years in a short span of time. For all you know, you will be able to see it in another 3 to 6 months time we are touching a new high. So don't exit from the market, remain invested. When I say market investment, I am mentioning only the mutual funds. Remain invested in mutual funds and you will make a great wealth. Welcome to 360 degrees with Ravi. Thank you.